Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with the Morning Market Stir for Thursday, September the 10th. Giving back gains. Markets rallied yesterday, opened up higher, pushed up to resistance, and got hit hard. Finishing up negative in the E-mini S&P, down 23, 1943, down 1%. It just seemed like a big bomb after being positive 1% as well. We'll be shifting to the December contracts here today, tomorrow, and next week. Dow futures down 180, 16,270. The high was 16,688. So that's 410 points off of those highs for that closing number. The Nasdaq down 43, 42.55. The high there is 43.70 on the session. Currencies ended up finishing relatively unchanged. The dollar up 396.01. The euro currency 111.97, up 11. The low in that euro currency was 111.32. Then it did bounce back as we saw the stock market correct itself and pull back later in the day, and you saw the dollar lose its ground. Speaking of reversal, we saw the bond market put in a new low at 152.14, new relative low anyways, 152.14, getting some selling there, some unwinding early when the stock market was very strong. But then later in the day, as things changed, the demand for treasuries picked back up. 154.21 was a close, actually up 23 points on the day. Crude oil lost as well, down $1.80, 44.15. The high of the session was 46.25, the low was 44.05, so closing near the lows, also giving up the positive action. And hit on the day was gold. Gold 11.02, down $19. The low of the session was down at that pivot support that we keep talking about, that 1100 level was the session low here on Wednesday. So after this reversal action yesterday, where do the markets stand here on this Thursday morning? Well, we're steady right now. The E-mini S&P is up 2, 1945. Dow futures up 10, 16,280. And the Nasdaq's up 6 at 42.61. The dollar steady as well, holding above the 96 level, 96.07. The euro's below the 112 that we keep an eye on, this 112 midpoint, 111.87, down 10. Treasuries are backing off some right now. We're down 21 at 154 in the 30-year. The yields are the same as they were yesterday, just a lot of action in between. Right now we're at 2.98 in the 30-year and 2.21 in the 10-year note. Crude oil's up a quarter at 44.40, lots of fours there, and gold is also up $4 at 11.06. So to wrap up this current action with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open, after the reversal yesterday, we're steady. Got the S&P up 2, got the Dow up 10, and the Nasdaq up 6 points. I will see you early Friday morning for your morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.